Good morning. In preparation for our upcoming activities for our book tasting this week, you will be completing an independent reading story slot today. So this should be done based on the independent reading book that you are currently reading. So you will include your title and author, and then you will include the genre. So what type of book is this? What category does it fall into? There are many different options to choose from. It could be something from science fiction to romance, historical fiction. There are lots of different options for this part. So do your best in determining what type of book this may be. Then you're going to include the setting. What is the time and place in the story? You will also list the characters in your story. So you want to list as many as you can. And if you can highlight who the protagonist is and who the antagonist is, that would be great as well. You also want to indicate what the conflict is within the story. So you can do that by placing an X next to all that apply. Remember, there are 6 types. You have person versus person, person versus society, person versus supernatural, person versus technology, person versus nature, and the most common, the most biggest conflict is person versus self. And then you will include a plot summary. What's the overview of what is happening in the story? What might be something that you can share without giving away too much information about the story? You don't want to give anything that would spoil it, but enough to get the attention of your classmates. So then you will write your response here. You want to make sure you include at least 5 sentences in this section so that you do have enough to have a conversation about later on for our book tasting.